Today's tankers move approximately 2 billion metric tons of oil every year. In this market, there are 450 crude oil tankers of the Suezmax size. This is a popular and very flexible size of ship, as they are able to load and unload in most ports and terminals. They also have a low transportation cost due to their size.
In 2005, Stena Bulk and Sonangol entered into a joint venture agreement, which is headquartered in Houston, Texas. These new 7 Suezmax vessels that have been ordered by Stena Bulk will enter into the Stena Sonangol Suezmax pool. The purpose of this pool is to jointly commercially operate Suezmax vessels to increase revenue, efficiency, and decrease risk for the pool partners. The vessels were ordered in early 2010 in Korea at Samsung.
Our site team consists about approximately 10 people. It depends. The number depends on how many vessels we have under construction at all times. We have hull inspectors, we have paint inspectors, we have machine inspectors, electrical inspectors, and the secretary, of course. And together we make up the site team that follows the ship from the steel cutting until the ship leaves the yard.
The Stena Suezmax tanker has a length of 274 meters, a beam of 48 meters, and a deadweight of 158,000 tons. When delivered, they will be the largest tanker in the Stena Bulk fleet.
Stena Bulk has invested over $7 million per vessel in state-of-the-art technology to ensure these vessels are the highest environmental class. This will ensure up to 10 to 15% savings in bunker consumption, which not only increases cost efficiency for the company, but decreases pollution.
We have, together with Samsung, developed some features that reduces the fuel consumption and also reduces the emission of cargo into the environment.
The Savor fins are one feature that improves the water flow to the propeller, and also a rudder bulb which reduces rotational losses. A great improvement for these vessels is that they are equipped with KVOC. The KVOC are cargo drop lines that reduce the creation of gas in the cargo tanks, thus reducing vapor emission into the air.
Our ship has quite an unusually big engine which has been derated, and by doing it this way we can have a lower revolution RPM of the main engine, and with that we also have a larger propeller, and with the larger propeller you improve the propeller efficiency, and with the better propeller efficiency you also reduce the fuel consumption.
This engine has a lot of advantages in comparison with previous generation of MC models. The first of all, it is fuel efficiency due to electronically controlled timing of fuel injection and exhaust valves opening, so reduced fuel consumption. Also, advanced control system, which gives operators a big advantage to see online at real time what is happening inside of the engine, inside of the cylinders.
The installed pressure vacuum valves decrease the vapor emission from the cargo tanks. In addition, a Vocon valve gives the ability to control the pressure in the cargo tanks, which leads to reduced emissions into the atmosphere.
The order is part of Stena Bulk's strategic decision to invest in high-quality tonnage for the Stena Sonangol Suezmax pool, which is currently in its 6th successful year. Currently, we have roughly 22 vessels in the pool. With these orders and Sonangol's new orders, that'll go up to about 30 by the end of this year.
The modern technology of the Stena Suezmax vessels makes them the best prepared crude oil tankers of tomorrow.